willing to jump.
This tiny house started as a bear trailer. Here's the entire build. This tiny house is a bear trailer. Here's the entire build. Let's start with a simple plans to walk through. We'll need to consider budget brand, material choices, and common mistakes to avoid. Cut the plaque. These space-saving and perks can pop back applies. And all the content server partner, or they're just your panels, or rain cars tourism, and even hydrogen sustainability. And all the content server partner, or they're just your panels, or rain cars tourism, and even hydrogen sustainability.
This is my new home. It's small, but perfect for me. This $10,000 tiny house made with salvage materials is designed for any climate, desert heat resistant, and coastal hurricane. Subscribe, like, share, comment, and support me.